Gunner, we want a rabbit, but Gunner was.
Okay, here we go. Calculator activities today. So, when a particle moves along the x-axis with a velocity of t squared over sine squared t plus 2, the particle's at position x at time equals 2. What's the particle's position at time equals 7? And you go, what you talking about, Willis? Well, this is what the questions on the AP test look like. They go like this. And it's like, okay. But, fear not. You notice how this is in velocity. This says position. When you see, I have to move from velocity to position, you take the antiderivative or the integral. So you just have to think in your head, I got to take the integral. So I got to take the integral of this bad boy. But where do I go with it? Well, I'm going from time 2 to time 7. So I must have to go from 2 to 7. And I started out at position 3, so I must have a 3 in front. Okay, see how all that works? And what they did is they added their 3 at the end, but they did this same thing. They added 3 in the end. I put a 3 in front. You start at 3, and then you add to this. Add the integral. This is how your position changes. Okay? You throw that in your graphing calculator, and you get this. Just throw this in your graphing calculator and add 3 on in the end. Okay? That's the basics of, figuring out. And then I'll give you all the hints on, well, not all the hints because I don't know everything on the AP test. But if you're finding an amount, you're going to integrate. If you're finding a change in something or a slope, anything to do with slope, you're going to do the derivative. I mean, it's all that. All right, the temperature in a room changes at a rate of R sub t equals the ln of t plus 1 sine of t degrees Celsius per hour, where t is the time in hours. At 1 hour, the temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. What's the temperature at 3 hours? Okay, so it is already changing. So this is the derivative of what we want. So if that's the derivative of what we want, we need to integrate. So we integrate whatever equation is there, ln of t plus 1 times the sine of t, dt. Okay? So at 1 hour, the temperature is 18 degrees. So we're changing from 1 hour to 3 hours. We started at 18 degrees. Okay? And so, again, that is the same as what they did here. And they got 19.571. So you're going to have calculator activities, and then you're also going to get assigned a quiz today. Okay? The quiz 3 of the chapter. And so then that'll finish up the chapter. If we have school tomorrow, I'm on the doubtful side right now. Weather. There's freezing rain coming. If we have online school, I will review for the Khan Academy test and assign out the Khan Academy test. Then come Tuesday, I will review for the AP test, and we're having our AP test over Unit 8 on Thursday, and there's no school Friday because it's Good Friday. So we have to. So if there's no school tomorrow and no online school tomorrow. I'm putting the review out there, and I'm expecting you to just do the test by next Thursday, and then I'll review for the other test on the AP test on Tuesday.
So if there's no online school, this class is online school.
You're still going forward because this is AP Calc, and we don't take breaks for anything. So there we go. I hope you all heard that.